The Rebotanical-Harmony operation is made up of 50,000 square feet of manufacturing, growing, and breeding facilities. The facility is CGMP compliant and registered with the FDA under CFR 21, Section 117 with a 111 arm. This Conway, South Carolina CBD hemp operation consists of a customer service department, conference rooms, marketing department, break room, several offices, as well as shipping and receiving. The manufacturing plant also has 3 clean rooms on site, a finished product production area, and 2 extraction areas. The finished product production area can produce roughly 3,500 bottles per hour. The ethanol extraction facility can extract 1,000 pounds of biomass a run and supplies bulk, private label, and the Rebotanicals brand. The lipid infusion extraction area is used to produce the Harmony line of proprietary products and is the only true solventless extraction method available in CBD production. This operation is one of a handful of vertically integrated USDA organic certified operations in the country. The operational facility boasts tech-savvy applications such as cloud-based CGMP compliant manufacturing, record retention, and document control. Here at Rebotanicals-Harmony brand, our mission is to produce the highest quality organic certified triple tested CBD products and ingredients in the marketplace, and that's what we will continue to strive to do.